Tired of your e-commerce ads looking like everyone else's and getting lost in the scroll? Let's unlock the power of UGC user-generated content to build trust and skyrocket your e-commerce sales in this quick tutorial. First, identify your ideal customer and what problem your product solves for them. This helps you guide UGC creators. Next, decide what kind of UGC you need. Product demos showcasing features are great for functionality. Customer testimonials build social proof, while behind-the-scenes content humanizes your brand. Now, find UGC creators. Platforms like Billow and Sense connect you with creators who match your target audience. You can also run contests or offer incentives to your existing customers to create content. When briefing creators, be specific, provide clear guidelines, but allow them creative freedom to maintain authenticity. Finally, optimize your ads. Test different UGC variations, targeting options, and call to actions to see what resonates best with your audience. Track your results closely to fine-tune your strategy. UGC builds trust, drives conversions, and fosters long-term customer relationships. Start creating authentic connections with your customers today. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more e-commerce tips.